Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wa salatu wassalamu ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'een, amma ba'd. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we're going to talk about التثاؤب, inshallah, yawning. التثاؤب, narrated Abu Hurairah radiallahu anhu. The Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, Allah likes sneezing, al-urtas, and dislikes yawning, التثاؤب. So if someone sneezes and then praises Allah, then it is obligatory on every Muslim who heard him to say, may Allah be merciful to you, Ya Rahamukallah. But as regards to yawning, it is from Satan. So one must try one's best to stop it, and if one says ha when yawning, Satan will laugh at him. This is from Sahih Bukhari. I'll post the link in the description, inshallah. So about this hadith, Shaykh bin Baz, rahimahullah, said that yawning, التثاؤب, is makruh, and that it indicates laziness, al-kasal, weakness, al-da'f, and lethargy, and nu'as. He also mentioned, rahimahullah, that from the etiquettes of yawning is to cover your mouth with your hand and to suppress any sound to the best of one's ability, as the Prophet ﷺ commanded, until the yawning stops. And the evidence that he used is from the son of Abu Sa'id al-Khudri, who reported on the authority of his father that Allah's Messenger ﷺ said, إِذَا تَثَاوَبَ أَحَدُكُمْ فَلْيَمْسِكْ بِيَدِهِ عَلَى فِيهِ فَإِنَّ الشَّيْطَانَ يَدْخُلُ. When one of you yawns, he should keep his mouth shut with the help of his hand, for it is the devil that enters therein. And that is in Sahih Muslim. I'll post the link in the description, inshallah. And same with the other articles from the Shaykh. If you can read Arabic, alhamdulillah. If you can't, I think you can pass with just Google Translate. It might do a good job. You get the idea. So that is التثاؤب. And in regards to that, other notes, other side points regarding this topic, that there is no evidence that الاستعاذة, saying أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم, is said after yawning, nor is there any evidence for any specific dua. And some scholars have mentioned that one should cover his mouth with the backside of his left hand, since using the left in general is a means of preventing and or cleansing harm. This viewpoint, however, is a matter of deduction and qiyas, and is not legislated by any hadith. There's no evidence. It's just taking a general rule that preventing harm with the left applies to this as well. But the most important thing, Allah knows best, is just to repel the sound as much as you can. And if you find yourself having the need to open your mouth, then you use either hand. You have to cover your mouth, because the Shaytaan enters through it, as the Prophet ﷺ said. So that is التثاؤب. And just from myself, it's yawning. First of all, it's very unlikable. Nobody likes yawning. It can make the most beautiful of women ugly. Imagine someone, she just yawns with this huge sound, and her mouth is open so wide, she looks like some kind of ogre. It's horrible. And it is disliked, first of all, because Allah dislikes it, but also just from a general perspective. Even the non-Muslims dislike it. So you imagine yourself belching out this huge yawn while your professor is talking, for example. How's he going to feel? So nobody likes it. Nobody likes the sound. Nobody likes the look of it. And may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala guide us to what is best. And whatever I have said that is correct is from Allah. Whatever I have said that is incorrect is from my own faults. And Jazakumullah khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.